Hi, my name is David Kistner. I'm the founder of Green Apple Cleaners. Trucks in New York City don't work. I'm gonna be honest with you. We could break it down any way you want, from tickets to fuel to insurance to leasing. And then we realized the congestion in New York City, you just cannot get around. Green Apple's always concerned about our carbon footprint. That's when we started thinking about how else can we do this? And how can we do this greener? After we got our first Carla Cargo, we've actually remodeled how we're going to service New York City going forward. Carla Cargo, size-wise, is perfect. It enables us to carry over 30 to 40 orders while both delivering and picking up. It's much more efficient, it's much more quicker, it's much more personable. The driver can actually pull up to the home. They love seeing their clothes come out of a bike and getting delivered to them because they feel warmer. They feel like they're getting a real green product. I couldn't see doing it without it. Everything stops a truck. You know what stops a Carla? Nothing. Carlas allow us to go places where we couldn't go before, and they also allow us to go actually faster than a truck can, which is amazing to me. And my bike drivers are quicker and better than my truck drivers. The modern city nowadays, especially New York, Brooklyn, we are committed to biking. We've got bike lanes almost on every single street. Everybody can drive a bike. You don't need a special license. You also don't need two people on it. It is so much cheaper to have bikes in New York City than trucks, period. We are actually going to look at 5 to 10 bikes for New York City and 4 for Brooklyn, and that's just the start. Green Apple Cleaners has always been an environmentally focused company. Our mission statement, all the way up to the finished product we deliver. Carla Cargo has allowed us to continue that mission. It really rounds out our company in ways that our trucks never could.